Alright, so I am putting on these new mirrors from Amazon on my bike. These are some XYZ company. I'll try them on. So basically, here's my bike. I have the V-Star 650 Classic, and this is the kind of mirror it has right now. It's only one kind of rattle when you go around. It's old, probably factory. The previous owner had removed the other one, so I only just have one. I have a windscreen on, and yeah, so that's the problem. I have to take the windscreen off before I can install these. Alright, so I was just able to lean the windscreen forward, just took the top bolts off, bottom ones are still there, and that gave me enough clearance to take this out, so I should be able to put the new one in. So this little bolt thing's gonna go on there like that. And then once it's on there, it's gonna help me kind of tighten it so it stays there. So these mirrors are 10mm thread, and they're both the same. Left and side mirror, same thread. I was reading online somewhere, some people said it takes like left and right side opposite thread, something weird. They're both the same size, 10mm. They're both gonna go on the same side. So see, this mirror is a little bit longer than the one that I took off, but I should still be able to put it on. Just kind of tilt it up. It's nice and a little bit longer. Probably is going to give me better view. I'm just going to rotate. And this is where it's going to be. I'm just going to tighten this down. Need a bigger wrench. All right, just gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so mirrors are installed. That's what they look like. So they stick out a little bit longer than your handlebar. I don't know if that's an issue, but I guess you could kind of turn them the other way or turn them down so it goes in a little bit more. I don't think it should bother me. We'll see how that goes. The other issue I found, there's like a dot in the reflection of this mirror. It's like right here. There's something just not right there.